Okay, what we have here today is a package that came all the way from Italy and has something to do with our Italian 1870 87 rifle. So we're going to do like an unboxing here of this. I had to wait several weeks to get this package. Let's see, we'll get packing slip out, and I know how everybody loves unboxings on YouTube. Pretty well sealed. Okay. And what this is somebody approached me and wanted to tell me about something they had, and I believe this has been opened by customs. So this did go through customs search. All right. Castellone, Italy. Okay. So, okay. All right, I will bring the camera around and we'll take a look at the contents of the box. Okay, what's in the box is a reproduction of the charging clips for the Italian Vetterli 1870-87 rifle, magazine rifle, and that is the 10.4. Now these are the ones much similar also to the Dutch Beaumont. Use these clips, and they hold 4 rounds. You would push them down into the gun and pull them out on the string. The individual I got these from, he makes reproductions of these clips because these things are quite expensive. The originals are quite expensive, and I purchased these from him to try them out and see how they work. And in a discussion with this individual, he is a collector and he likes to shoot his gun, so he sent me, I guess, some samples. He told me he was going to send me some samples of cases and bullets. And I believe this is the Italian Vetterli. And I'm not quite sure what he's done with these, if these are turned from brass stock. I believe they are. This is brass that has been turned, not formed from anything. These are actually turned from solid brass stock. I can see the machine marks in the base. This is extremely interesting to me. A lot of work it took to make these cases. And he also sent some bullets, an example of some bullets. I believe these are heeled style bullets that are used. Not quite 100% sure. We'll get a closer look at, there's the brass, and these are the bullets. We'll do a comparison in a separate video. But this is just the unboxing to show you what I got. See, this is pretty interesting. These bullets are. And also, I believe he mentioned the Swiss Vetterli, which I believe that is a Swiss Vetterli case, and yes, this is turned from solid brass stock. And I believe he gave me some more of the bullets. He also uses these bullets here. No, these are different. These have a flat head on them. Oh, pretty interesting. He has two different types of bullets. Here they are side by side. If you look, this one is rounded. It is an exact replica. We will compare it later to the actual ammo. And this one here, for some reason, though it appears to be the same, this other one has a flat point to it, where this is rounded and this here has a flat point. I will go and take measurements of all of these and compare what he has with the Italian and with my Swiss. So this will all be something in a separate video, some food for thought, shall we say. So I'm going to bag this up and we'll get back to the clips. Okay, back to the clips, which is what started this, or the chargers. They're well constructed, okay, and they're made like the originals, wood, and the metal is done. They're an exact replica. They're very well made. The workmanship is good, solid. A lot of work went into this. This isn't some pressed out thing. Bent around metal, and sheet metal's bent well, riveted and attached to the wood. And in here the wood has been sanded, all the edges are deburred and smooth. And then the string, which I heard this is critical. Some people have tried using the originals without the string. You do need this. This is critical to the use of this charging clip. But all together quite well made. And that is consistent in each and every single one of these. So like I said, originals are difficult to find. They're very old. Things like this are frail. Why I would get a repro is we are going to shoot our Vetterlis. It would be nice to have the charging clips for the gun that are not, 100 years old. So I'm going to do a separate video where I look at the clips with original ammo and everything, and we'll load the rifle and my reloads, and we'll investigate this further. But this is just the unboxing and a quick view of what some of the things I'll be working on, and I will give you all more information about it as we go. It's not fair to do this in a real swift video, and like I said, he gave me some other items which are also going to be investigated. I'm going to take the time to take measurements, compare, and see what this individual's take on this and his technique that's different, which is pretty neat. I always like to try somebody else's methods out better, but I think this is a first-class product. And like I said, I'll give you more information as we go on it. I just got the package today. I didn't have time to really examine it, and I'm just making this quick video. Thank you.